Hello viewers, I hope you have seen my previous videos of making these Rajasthani dolls. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can decorate these dolls. I am specifically going to show you today about the attire which contains a dhoti, a kurta and a waistcoat on it. To make the kurta, I am going to cut a white cloth with 5 inches length and 3.5 inches width in the shape of a kurta. Make it 2 pieces. Cut a 3.5 by 2.5 inch cloth for making the waistcoat. I have chosen a red long cloth to make the pagdi. I make pleats and stitch them at both the ends. I am going to use Fevicol All Fix glue to fix this pagdi to doll's head. You need to keep applying the glue at every turn. Pull the cloth and make the turban fit tight. These pagdis are worn in different colors and style of wearing depending on which region of Rajasthan it is and what is the occasion. Rajasthanis wear this pagdi as their status symbol, their pride and as part of their culture. These are normally made out of embroidered cloth or a leheria design cloth. Next, I am going to show you the making of dhoti or the pajama. I have covered the legs of the doll with a black cloth and sticking the dhoti on top of it using the All Fix glue. I have covered the doll with black cloth because the dhoti is black in color. So depending on which color dhoti you are making, you could cover the legs of the doll. Take care to stick only the edges of the cloth so that you can pull it down to make the shape of a dhoti. Then at the waist you stitch it to make it sit tight. Next, I am going to make the sleeves. I have cut out a strip of cloth to make it as the collar of the kurta. Once both the sleeves are ready, I am going to stick the back side part of the kurta. For the front part of kurta, make a slit, attach the waistcoat and stick it from front. Slide the back portion below the front portion and stick from sides. Stick the white strip around the collar. Wearing a kadha on one wrist, a red holy thread on another wrist, a beaded chain around the neck, and shoes or chappal called as mojaris are part of the Rajasthani musician attire. With this, the doll decoration is completed. So let me know in comments how you felt about the video and about decorating the doll. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.